Hi friends, if you are facing this problem, stop code driver power state failure. For this I will show you how to solve this. We have one registry file is there. You copy this file. If you need this file, you can find in the description. Go to the command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Simply right click here, it will paste automatically and press enter. The operation completed successfully. And then next type here net start space MSIServer and then press enter. The Windows installer service is starting. The Windows installer service was started successfully, and simply type exit, close it, and then again open run. Here type sysdm.cpl, press OK, and here go to the advanced option and select startup and recovery settings. Here by default it will tick mark will be there, automatic restart. You kindly untick this, and here need to select small memory dump 256 KB and then click OK, apply it, OK it, then you restart your machine, your problem will be solved. Okay, thank you.